5 seconds. Start. Whether even in exercise of its powers of judicial review, the High Court, as a constitutional authority, can issue mandatory directions to the Speaker of a state assembly, who is himself a constitutional authority, to dispose of a disqualification petition within a specified time. Can the High Court, in its writ jurisdiction, interfere with the disqualification proceedings pending before the Speaker and pass an order temporarily disqualifying a member of the state legislative assembly, despite the law laid down by this court in Chandra Kumar versus Union of India to the contrary? When a disqualification petition filed under Article 191 read with the 10th schedule to the Constitution of India is pending consideration before the Speaker, can a parallel writ petition seeking the same relief be proposed with simultaneously? And did the High Court have jurisdiction to give directions under Order 41, Rule 33 of the Code of Civil Procedure, despite the express bar contained in the explanation to Section 141 of the Code of Civil Procedure in proceedings under Article 226 of the Constitution? In order to provide the peg on which the above questions are to be hung, it is necessary to understand the background in which such substantial questions of law have arisen. The 12th Legislative Assembly elections in Haryana were held on 13th October 2009. After the results of the elections, the Indian National Congress Party, hereinafter referred to as the INC, emerged as the single largest party, having won in 40 out of the 90 seats in the assembly. Since it was short of an absolute majority, the INC formed the government in collaboration with seven independents and the MLA from the Bahujan Samaj Party. Subsequently, on 9th November 2009, four legislative members of the Haryana Janhit Congress Party, hereinafter referred to as the HJC, wrote to the Speaker of their intention to merge the HJC with the INC in terms of the provisions of paragraph 4 of the 10th schedule to the Constitution of India. The Speaker was requested to accept the merger and to recognize the applicant legislators as members of the INC in the Haryana Vidhan Sabha. On hearing the four legislators who appeared before him, the Speaker, by his order dated 9 November 2009, accepted the merger with the immediate effect purportedly in terms of paragraph 4.